Kawuok Kisumu wadhi nyime kama laboratori makonyo e chiwo nonro mag gwenge ma oting'o gik ma itimo e lope ma bende dho ngere dendo ni Geospatial Information Management System. Magedo mare osir kod riwruok mar Food and Agricultural Organization ka otenore kod riwruok mar pinje jorochere mabedo ng'ere kaka European Union ochako tich ayanga e kaonti ma Migori. Jafwambo marwa Juma nigi ler mathoth kowuok e kaonti no.
Ni machiwo nondogo mag gwenge mabende ng'ere kaka Geospatial Information Management System magedo mare omonjo mene maro milion 20 mano yawa yanga kod jalup gavana wa Migori Joseph Mairi igeno ne dhi kelo dongruok e sectors mathoth ma oting'o thieth, pur, kedo kod weche mag apoya kod mamoko.
We have already given out here the support that is about 20 million. We are adding, on the request of the county, 2 more stations to Migori County. And once that is in place, which already we have agreed on, we are going to the next stage, which already we have started, which is to build the capacity of the county.
This project has a huge potential, one, in resource management, and second, and also service provision. Because as we have discussed, we are going to expand this project to where that is going to help us manage our health facilities. When it goes to agricultural, so far we have mapped the farmers, the land they occupy, and what they are doing in the field.
Mahiri wacho ni kuom ranyisi ka okalo kuom laboratory ni sani ot mondo ging'e kwan jotuo osiptende duto e kaunti ma Migori chieng' ka odiechieng' ng'eyo ka yath nitiere kod mamoko e sekno mar thieth.
So far we have mapped the location and the capacities of our health facilities. But we want to go now where we'll be getting real-time data from our facilities, for example, in terms of drug dispensing to the patients, the number of patients.
Ka okalo kuom laboratory ni igeno ni nonro mag weche mag apoya to ahinya piyo ula ma osebiro kadayo jogwenge mag Nyateke bende dhi yudore wang' sa mondo koro kony oganda kaachiel kod piny owacho.
And especially now we are going to link this GIS lab with the climatic weather conditions so that it helps us. When it is rain season, we know these areas we are targeting, these areas are prone to flooding. Then how do we advise our farmers to the safe places where they can be at the particular moment? So it's going to help us manage that.
Hamisi Mumati Kurogno, Mar Food and Agricultural Organization Katafao. Watch ni keto laboratory ni e kaunti ma Migori kod counties moko duto e piny Kenya mondo koro kony e jiwo weche mag pur kod mamoko.
Partnering with the European Union, we embarked on a journey to digitize the agriculture and rural development sector in Kenya. Through this particular project, which is the land governance, our focus is on those factors that really don't free up land, which is a factor of production, so that it's available and made production of in the best way we can.
Mowacho ne gisechiwo tiegruok kendo gidhi nyime kod medo chiwo tiegruok ne jotije mag counties mondo gibed kod lony mowinjore ma ginyalo tiyo godo e tayo laboratory ni.
So one area of ensuring sustainability is that you have qualified personnel that are going to deal with this particular facility. And I can see that trajectory is very well clearly defined here in Migori County. The second area will be on this equipment as they've been given, and you can see they are being they are in a very good protected space. So that means they will continue. But then the county, and which I know they will do, have to really come up and match halfway by making sure they institutionalize the management of the GIS laboratory.
George Juma, Ramogi TV, Migori.